Yo, what's good everybody, the Green Onion here, and welcome back to some more diecast stuff. Today's just a very short video because I am working on making a video on this car over here, and I didn't really think to make a video on this one. I was just kind of going at my own pace and just doing stuff by myself, but this is I don't know the year here, but this is a Yatming, which is kind of an odd brand. It's a very weird off-brand, which would probably be considered in today's world as like one of those crappy little China toys that have a plastic body and plastic base. But back then, I guess China knockoffs were actually decent. So we have this Chevy Stepside here, which I just put these tires in, I don't know why. This didn't take me too long. I tried not to take too much time with it. Like, I could probably have done better in the wood bed, but I didn't really feel like taking too much time on it. This is just like a quicker little custom. So we have the Yatming Chevy Stepside here, which I don't know what year it was made in, but I'm guessing probably about the 80s. And it features a metal body and a metal base, which is odd for a China knockoff car, to be honest. This front bumper piece is plastic, however, and it also features a opening tailgate and suspension. So this car has a lot of features for just a China brand, junker trying to compete with Hot Wheels. So as you can tell, the parts on this car don't seat as well as a Hot Wheels would, like the windshield. Yeah, you see that gap on the top there? That's from the factory. I don't really know how to fix that other than gluing the windshield at the top of the roof. And the last time I did something like that, the glue reacted with the plastic and it clouded up the windshield beyond repair. So I'm just going to leave it as that. Also with this front plastic piece, it's a little wobbly. You can see the gap there. And that's because it's just held in by a slat and the base itself, so it's not going to be held in place very well at all. But anyway, I tried to do the best I could with this. This thing was absolutely just ugly when it started out. I don't have a picture of it, I don't think, but it was white and it had these really crude stickers on it that said Stepside on the hood and on the side. And it was just like really, really crude stickers that, just cognizant of a China knockoff brand like that, just very, very basic stuff. But for a China knockoff car, this thing is actually pretty good. You could see some of the detailing here. It says Chevrolet on the rear tailgate, and it's got some rear lights there cast into the metal. It had the indicators cast in as well, like there's little panel lines for them. And then I did silver chrome outlines on that and the fender flares. And then this front bumper was pretty basic. It was, I think it was black, just matte black plastic, but I spray painted it in a chrome silver and added a bunch of details using Sharpies. So overall, and then the wheels I also swapped out because the old wheels were absolute trash. They were pretty bad. Let me see if I can find one of them. Yeah, here's one of them. Here's what the wheels looked like beforehand, like that. And an interesting thing about the Yatming cars is that the wheels are actually two-piece, whereas like here's a old Lesney wheel, and then a Hot Wheels wheel is going to be a one-piece thing, but this actually has two pieces. This is the inner rim, and it has this outer tread that can come apart from the center bearing of the tire, which is kind of neat. So I just swapped it out with some small little 5-spoke wheels there, and then I just put some pieces of wood in the bed and pretty much called it good. I didn't really spend too much time on it. I just added a basic spray paint color. I kind of wanted to do metallic, but I didn't have any blue metallic left, so I had to go with this just basic blue color. It kind of reminds me of sort of like a farmhand kind of truck, just like on the farm, used for daily duties and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you like this custom. And I guess I'll see you guys later. I didn't really have too much on this truck. So if you want to see more customs, I guess, subscribe to my channel if you want to. Also subscribe to PewDiePie. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.